All right, folks, if you want to build a great body, a really attractive physique, then it's super important for your abs to be visible. And if I tell you that building them is actually really easy, most of you probably won't believe me. So, if you also want to build your abs quickly, this video is just for you. In this video, I'm going to show you some methods, some scientific stuff, so you can build your abs real fast. First things first, let me tell you, if you want to make your abs visible, you have to lower your body fat percentage. Your abs will only start to become visible around 12% body fat or lower. Now, how do you know what your body fat percentage is? Pinch the skin on your stomach. If you can grab a lot of it, that means your body fat percentage is high. If the skin is thin and you can only grab a little, that means you have a low body fat percentage. First, figure out which category you're in. I made a whole video on how to reduce your fat. You'll find the card/link right here. Go check that out. And if you're skinny but still don't have visible abs, I'm about to tell you which exercises to do for that. Let me also tell you this. You gotta be careful not to eat anything that'll increase your fat. Stuff like fast food, any of that junk we eat. You gotta cut that way down. Fried food, cut it out completely. Yes, guys, we all have abs. Everyone's body has abdominal muscles, but they're just not visible because they're covered by a layer of fat. Now let's talk about some exercises that if you perform them, your abs will show up real quick. First up, we have the mountain climber. You perform this exercise like this. This exercise is considered excellent if you want to train and make your abs visible. Next, moving to the second exercise, it's called the plank. This is an exercise where we have to hold the position like this. You have to keep your core tight and hold this position for as long as you can. Doing this exercise reduces your body fat, tightens up your core dominance, and your abs will slowly start to become visible. After that, let's go to our third exercise. It's called bicycle crunches. You perform this exercise like this. One thing you guys got to remember, for all the exercises I'm telling you about, you need to do them slowly and with control. Take your time and gradually increase the duration. The longer you can hold or perform an exercise correctly, the more beneficial it will be for you. Next, we move to another great exercise for abs, which we call jackknife sit-ups. You might be getting tired. This exercise you see here is called the jackknife. This exercise is also very effective for developing your abdominal muscle. You should perform this for as long as you can. I'm not giving you a specific rep count here. I'm telling you to go by time. Perform it for as long as you can hold good form. That's what's most beneficial. And one more thing to remember, the day you train your abs, you got to give them at least one full day of rest before you train them again. Guys, follow all these methods. If your body fat percentage is high, lower it first. If your body fat is low and your abs still aren't showing, then perform these exercises I told you about. Your abs will start showing up soon. So how'd you like the video? If you liked it, guys, share it, comment, and let me know what you thought. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.